In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Adobe Acrobat document. Whether you're preparing an important report or updating a PDF for the latest project, knowing how to effectively edit documents in Adobe Acrobat can make your life a lot easier. We'll walk through this process step by step, starting from your home screen and ending with a successfully edited document ready for use. Let's jump right in. First things first, when you open Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your central hub for accessing various features and documents. The first thing you'll want to do here is click on Documents. It's necessary because this is where you'll keep track of all your files. It streamlines the process, making it easy to find and manage the documents you're working on or those you've worked on previously. Next up, you add the file you wish to edit from your computer. This step is pretty straightforward. You have options to drag and drop your file into Acrobat, or you can just browse through your folders and upload the document you want to edit. It's important to ensure the file you choose is the correct version or document you need, as editing a wrong file might cause you to lose both time and energy getting back to the original state. Once your file is uploaded, you'll be poised to delve into the editing process itself. To do this, look for the Tools option, or the Edit icon within Adobe Acrobat. Clicking here opens up a range of editing features. Here you will find options to tweak text, adjust images, add comments, and much more. Feel free to experiment and use these tools to make necessary modifications to your document. Each tool is designed to be intuitive, giving you the flexibility to shape your document to suit your needs precisely. Remember, these changes are pivotal to ensure your document conveys the message exactly as intended. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to edit documents using Adobe Acrobat. Practicing this process a few times will make it second nature, and it will drastically improve your productivity the next time you work with PDFs. This was a quick overview to get you familiarized with the process. Don't forget you have an array of tools at your disposal, so take full advantage of them to enhance your documents. With Adobe Acrobat, professional quality document editing is just a few clicks away, making it an invaluable tool for both personal and professional use. Thanks for watching this tutorial on editing Adobe Acrobat documents. If you found this helpful, don't hesitate to share it with others who might benefit from it as well. Stay productive and see you in the next video.